For today's recipe, meatballs a la shumai. So yan, may carrots, spring onions, garlic, mince, and 500 ground beef. So naglagay ako ng cornstarch dyan, yellow oyster sauce, soy sauce, and then salt and pepper, 1 egg. And then naglagay din ako ng sesame oil, liquid seasoning. So, ayan mga my loves. So, ganyan lang. I-balls lang natin. Pork meatballs. Pero yung recipe is shumai. So, ayan. So, gagawa tayo mamaya ng sauce. So, fry, and fry. Then, magawa din ako ng salad. Eggplant na mayroong cucumber, tomatoes, calamansi, lemon. So, yan, naglagay ako ng spicy or chili powder pag wala kayong chili na fresh. So, yan, gumagawa na ako ng sauce. It's good for dipping. This is a sauce, Filipino sauce for meatballs or fish balls. Yung ginagamit sa fish balls ay tinatry ko rin dito sa aking meatballs a la shumai. Wow. So, tikiman time. Look at that. Init. Sarap. Sarap. Pagawa ng eggplant salad mga my loves. Masarap to kasi lagyan ko to ng chili powder or cayenne powder para anghang siya. Pwede din dito i-dip or you can eat this with the meatballs, pork meatballs, or you can dip here. This is a Pinoy sauce. Thank you for watching this recipe. See you. Bye.